Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jaina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something really special, my Knitting and Crochet Journal Tracker. This journal is designed to keep every part of your creative journey beautifully organized. Whether you crochet, knit, or both, this book gives you all of the charts, guides, and project pages you'll ever need in one cozy place. Inside, you'll find crochet and knitting size tables, yarn weights, fiber and construction types, and handy abbreviation charts for both US and UK stitch terms. There's even a section with cable, lace, and fabric symbols, so you never have to look them up again. The project tracker section helps you log every detail, from your start and end dates, yarn details, difficulty level, and hook or needle size to your gauge and estimated time to complete. It's perfect for keeping track of what worked, what you loved, and what you want to try next. And for those creative bursts of inspiration, there are pages for creative notes and future project ideas, so you can plan your next masterpiece without losing a single spark. It's more than just a tracker. It's a cozy companion for every maker who loves their craft. You can find my Knitting and Crochet Journal Tracker right now on Amazon. I truly hope it helps you bring even more calm, creativity, and joy into your crafting journey.